Assemble the supports of the spoiler, according to the illustration paper for assembling. Tear off the paper coats of the double-sided tape. Raise up the spoiler and make the bases of supports hook the front edge of the trunk lid. Then make sure the spoiler is centered on the trunk lid. When putting the spoiler onto the trunk lid, please cup the spoiler panel up instead of holding the supports. In case of the malfunction due to the installation inaccuracy, loose the screws of the supports and adjust the angle of the spoiler panel. After the adjustment, tightening all the screws. Deploy the wires along the base of the support and make it go into the gap between the car body and the trunk lid. The white wire to the wire of brake light of the taillights, the blue wire to the wire of turn light of the taillights. Cut the fuse and connect one end of the fuse to the positive pole of car battery and the another end to the red wire of the spoiler. Connect the black wire to the negative pole of car battery. If the spoiler works normally, use a needle nose pliers to clamp the hooks of the supports tightly against the lower surface of the trunk lid.